So I've taught hundreds of guitar players over the years, and there's one thing that most of them are missing. And it's not speed, it's not scales, it's not fancy chords. They just don't understand how chords actually fit together. So music tends to feel random. So they memorize shapes, they copy riffs, but they don't really understand what's going on underneath. Now today, I'm going to show you the number system and why that's the foundation of every song you play. Now, the thing is, that connects chords, scales, keys, and songwriting, everything together. So in every key, there's 6 main chords, and they always follow the same pattern. The 1 chord's a major, the 2 is a minor, 3 is a minor, 4 is major, 5 is major, and 6 is minor. Definitely be worth writing that down somewhere just so you memorize it. Now the pattern never changes, only the key changes. Now let's look at that in the key of C major. Now first we need to know the notes of the C major scale. So let's find our C on the low E string. So C, D, E, F, G, A. They're the first 6 notes of the C major scale. We have C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, and then A minor. So that's the 1 chord, the 2 chord, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. So every note becomes a chord. Now watch this. One of the most common chord progressions is a 1, 4, 6, 5. So we take the first chord, the 4 chord, the 6, and the 5. So in the key of C, that's C, F, A minor, G. Now let's move that to the key of G. So the notes in G are G, A, B, C, D, E. The first 6 notes in G major. So that's the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. So a 1, 4, 6, 5. In the key of G is G, C, E minor, D. Let's do the same thing in the key of F. The notes in F are F, G, A, B flat, C, D. So 1, 4, 6, 5. Let's do the same thing in the key of A. So the notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. 1, 4, 6, 5. So in the key of A, that's A, D, F sharp, E. Now, for all of this to sink in as quickly as I can do it, you need to know the low E string notes and the A string, the names of the notes on them string. That is absolutely crucial for this to all fit into place. Now here's where this gets really powerful for lead players. If I'm in the key of C and I'm playing that progression, that 1, 4, 6, 5, I can use the C major pentatonic over that. So if I've got a chord progression, so if I do the same thing in the key of A, so 1, 4, 6, 5. So the shape moves, but the system stays the same. So that's why understanding the number system makes scales make sense. You're not guessing anymore, you're just targeting the notes. So the 6th chord is really special. In the key of C, that's an A minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's an A minor. Now, if I use A minor as my first chord, I start and finish on it, it changes the key to A minor. That's the relative minor. So in the key of C, our 6th chord is A. We're going to do a chord progression that goes 6, 5, 4, 6. So that's 6, 5, 4, 6. So 5, 4. So it's the same chords, but just using the minor chord as our main anchor point. So it swaps the key to A minor. Now, when you understand the number system, you learn songs faster, so you can look at chord progression. So let's say, 1, 4, 5 is very common in, say, blues, a lot of rock and roll. You can then just shift that was in G, 1, 4, 5, 4. We do the same thing in the key of B. becomes so much easier to change key and actually understand the chords that make up these different keys. This is the foundation of all music. Now, most players do skip this, so it's really important that you spend lots of time really hammering this in. Now, if this has already cleared things up for you, imagine understanding the entire fretboard this clearly. That's exactly why I built my lead guitar foundation system. It's a complete method for learning the entire neck properly. Inside it, you're going to get my full library of downloadable PDFs, the entire pentatonic perfection course that I created, structured fretboard training, and a step-by-step system that connects chords, scales, and soloing. This isn't random lessons, this is a method. And if you're serious about finally understanding the neck inside the way of memorizing, instead of memorizing shapes, you can check it out and the link will be in the description. And it's called the Lead Guitar Foundation System. Link will be in the description. Hope this video has helped. If it has, please do smash that like and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next one.